right, today in math, we are practicing more of what we learned yesterday, which was what? Does anyone remember what we practiced yesterday? Josiah?
Area model.
The area model, which is kind of like distributive property, except it's kind of easier, okay? Once you get the hang of it, I would say it's much easier. So, first we're just going to warm up with an area model problem all together. So on your whiteboards, here is our math problem. 24 times 35. So go ahead and write that at the top. 24 times 35. My screen is looking blurry. There we go. All right, 24 times 35. What is the first step when we are doing an area model? Madeline?
If it's only one digit number, then you do 2. But then if it's 4, then you do 4 2 lines in it, so it makes 4.
Okay, so we need to make a square that has 4 squares inside it, right? All right, so here is our area model. And Madeline's right. Since we have two two-digit numbers, we need to have 2 squares and 2 squares. All right, so how am I going to split this 24 apart into its place values? Cadence?
20, then a 4.
Perfect. We've got a 20, and we've got a 4. And if I had this together, I would get a 24. What about my other digit? Quentin?
30 and 5.
30 and 5. Excellent. All right, and now we just cross our numbers, find where they meet, and find the answer. So 4 times 30. We cover the 0. 4 times 3 is? Josiah?
4 times 3 is 16.
Close.
18.
Wrong way.
What is it?
Madeline?
12.
12, and we add a 0, so 120. 30 times 20. Angie?
600.
600, nice job. All right, our 4 and our 5 meet right here. What are we going to put for 4 times 5, Hayden?
You're going to put 20.
20, nice job. In our last multiplication problem, we have 20 times 5 right here. Noah? 100. All right, once we have all these partial products, what do I have to do with them? Last step. What do I do with them? Chloe?
Add them.
I add them all up. Stack them and add them. And what have I told you? Can I combine this 20 into something else mentally? I'm going to add this 20 to my 120 and make it 140. So I've got 600, 100, and I combined these in my head to make it 140. You don't have to do that, but I prefer adding only 3 numbers instead of 4. All right, you guys check my work. All right, friends at home, I am getting thumbs up, which means in my classroom that my work looks correct. All right.
You forgot to add the 20. I know you added it.
I put it into here. Okay, good job. Madeline.
I was going to do 6. I was going to add the 6 and the 20 together, but then that would be hard to do. So then I did 6 plus 100 and got 700. So then I did 140 instead.
Nice. Okay. Go ahead and erase your boards. We're going to do one more. This one I'm going to have you do mostly on your own. All right, erase your boards.
Can you make up numbers?
All right. Josiah, give me one 2-digit number.
30.
30. Ooh, he put a 0 on the end. That's good practice because some of us struggled with that. Madeline?
40.
Let's do one. Well, we can do 30 times 40 easy because it's all zeros. Put a digit in the ones place for me.
44.
Perfect. 44. All right, here's our problem. 30 times 44. We know the first step. Okay, start that box model. I will help you get that set up, and then the rest you try it on your own. If you know how, don't even look up here. Try it all by yourself. But the 30 was tricky yesterday, so let's talk about that. What do I do when a number ends in a 0? Cadence?
Just put 30.
that 3 is still worth 30, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then when I check my ones place, what's the value there? Nothing. So I just put nothing. Okay, that's the hardest part of this one, I would say. All right, now I will let you work. Friends at home, continue working on the problem. If you finish early, maybe write a different problem and try it. I haven't done the work yet, but that looks correct.
So it's just whichever one, so you see how that 0 comes across here in the purple down? Same thing right here.
All right, I'm going to start working up here so everyone can check your work. If you're not done yet, don't look up, okay? Only look up when you're ready to check. Why did I get all zeros down at the bottom? Hayden?
Because everything times 0 is 0.
Oh, we have the 0 property, right? Everything times 0 is 0. So we only have 2 numbers we have to add up. So make sure you line up your place values.
I didn't get that. Oh, yep.
Yes,
What
now
number did you get?
I got 1,320. All right. I'm getting thumbs ups in my class. Hopefully I can get a thumbs up from you at home. All right, the next problem we are going to do, I am not going to help you set it up. And it's going to be a word problem. So erase your words. All right, you do not need to write down the word problem. You can just listen. So here is our problem today. I'm going to talk about my cats because you know I'm kind of obsessed. All right, Lewis has 21 toys.
That's a lot.
She has more than that. Each toy has 13 bells
Oh, no.
on it.
Does she like it, Belle?
She likes bells. Now I'm totally making that up. A toy with 13 bells would be way too noisy for my house. But
Yeah.
Lewis has 21 toys. Each toy has 13 bells on it. Does anyone know the question I'm going to ask you? Chloe? I want you to multiply it, but what are we finding, Josiah?
How many bells on in all?
Yes, how many bells are on her toys in all? Okay, in all is our key word. And why do we know we have to multiply? Cadence?
Because it says in all.
Okay. Sometimes in all can mean addition. How do I know in this example? Can anyone walk me through it, Hayden?
So it says, so, how many bells are on her toys and all?
Okay. So we know that there's some bells on each toy and there's 21 toys. Do we need 21 groups of 13? So that means multiplication. All right, go ahead and set it up. I'll give you a chance to do so. We know we're doing 21 times 13. People at home, I can see that I'm not in focus. I'm not sure what's happening here. Okay. Can someone tell me how we get started? Most of you in class are about finished. Josiah?
Make the box
All right.
that looks like a window.
Okay.
and then put 20 and 1 on one side, and then 10 and 3 on the other.
All right, we all good so far? Is that what we all did? Hope so. Okay, who can tell me what value goes in this box right here? Hayden?
200.
200, excellent. What value goes in this box? Chloe?
10.
10. What value will go here? Noah? Mhm.
That'd be 60.
And what value will go here? Cadence?
3.
3. Nice job. Now we have to add them up. I am going to mentally add my 10 and my 3 so that I only have 3 numbers to add. You don't have to do it that way.
We got 3.
Do I get some thumbs ups? Oh, got a few. Got a few. If you got a different answer, check your work and figure out what went wrong. Okay. All right, so today you are going to be practicing more word problems. So, word problem with multiplication, all you know to do right now is an area model, okay? So just make your area model to solve the problem. On Friday, you're going to learn a new method, okay? All right, see you later, friends at home.
Bye.